everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset iDRAC configurations or iDRAC settings to factory default. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is how to get into the iDRAC itself option, which is pressing F2. So when during reboot, if you just keep pressing F2, it'll say you're entering the system setup. And once you are inside the system setup, you'll see three options. The steps is going to be about similar to iDRAC 7, iDRAC 8, and 9, and maybe above. So once you're in system setup, you would then press down to iDRAC setting. And it'll take about 2-3 seconds, and then you'll scroll all the way down to reset iDRAC to default. And then select yes. Okay, so this process right here is going to take about 5 minutes. It takes a while, and we're not going to wait for it, but I'm going to give you some tips of what happens afterwards. So after this is done, your IP address is going to be 192.168.0.120. For some reason, that is the default IP address, and if you do not like that, you would have to come in, you have to enter iDRAC and set it. To do that, you will just go through BIOS again, go to iDRAC settings, go to network, and then set it there. Here we're approaching the last 2-3%. I just want to show you what it looks like after 100% and what to do to finish up. Okay, so now it says continue. It has an option to continue, and it says reset configuration to default completed successfully. So we'll go ahead and press enter. That's going to bring us back to the system setup, and I'm going to press tab to go to finish, and it will ask you to reboot. So the reboot is required, and after that your DRAC will be back to factory default, which means it's DHCP. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so other viewers can discover it. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.